What's up, guys? Frankstown Fabrications back with you again. I know it's been a while since I've posted. Um, the stupid editing program or whatever that I have on my laptop is corrupted, so I had to uninstall and reinstall, and that didn't fix it. So come to find out, my computer is corrupted, so I have no way to upload videos except like this. So I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know about that. Also, I'm color sanding the Packard, and I wanted to jump on here and show you guys. When we color sand, we hit the flat spots, right? Now, when you go around this here, you notice that we go up to this edge here, and then we'll come into this here and sand this. We'll sand this, but we leave that alone right there because the paint is thin there, and you could burn through. Same with this area right here. This is a little dip that goes all the way down to down there. We'll sand this flat spot here. We'll sand this flat spot here, and we may come in and hit that right in there by hand, but we won't ever hit that with a sander like this. It's way too easy to burn through. But anyway, we got to get all of this sanded here and then around on the other side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot the top with black. It's like a flat black or something like that. It's a base black, and then I'm going to tape everything off and clear the whole thing. So anyway, again, my computer is, I'm not going to say down for the count, but I'm going to say it's in I.C.U. How about that? It's in I.C.U. So yeah, we're gonna try to get that taken care of when everybody seems to be going to desktops, but it makes no sense to me because a long time ago I got a desktop, and the components that I had, they messed up on me. So I took and was going to upgrade it, and it cost just as much to upgrade it as it did to buy a new desktop. But then when I get the new desktop, it's usually only good for 2, maybe 3 years, and then all the components are out of date. So then you have to upgrade again, and it's getting ridiculous. It is. I mean, I don't think anybody would want to buy a car for 2 years and then throw it away and then buy another car for 2 years. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. You guys let me know. I don't know. I'm old school. I was raised on a typewriter. That's how old I am. So anyway, guys, yeah, that's about where we're at. So, listen, guys, if your project's ignored, it'll never get restored. Ask me how I know. See? Ask me how I know. All right, guys. I'll see if I can't get that fixed. Wanted to get you guys an update and let you know what was going on. Should have this thing done here in the next couple of weeks, and yeah, then we'll go from there. Hopefully I got something to do this on with after that. So all right, guys, again, projects ignored, never get restored. I'll see you guys on the next one.